During the chaos of the holidays, we often overlook potential safety hazards for our little ones, especially if we're not used to having them around our house, like grandparents or other family members. So, we have two very special guests today to help us understand where those potential problems are and ways to make them safer for our children during the holiday season. We are joined by Brian Sansoni, who is the Senior Vice President of Communications, Outreach, and Membership at the American Cleaning Institute, as well as Tareen Kreppe, President of Safe Kids Worldwide, which is a global nonprofit dedicated to protecting kids from preventable injuries. So help me welcome Brian and Tareen to the show. Thank you. Hello, this is Mary Jo Tinlin from the Teaching Your Toddler Show. Today we have a very special topic. It's safety with decorating for Christmas or for the holidays. So today we're welcoming Brian and Tareen to talk to us about some of the amazing things that they have for keeping us safe, keeping our kids safe, but also still being stylish. Welcome to the show, everyone.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
So I understand that you have some specific areas of the home that are especially risky for children. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yes. So as you know, as we get ready for the holidays, we'll have a lot of guests come into our home, whether it's family or friends. And so everyone's going to be distracted. They're going to be enjoying themselves and having fun. So we want to make sure where you are in your home, whether that's in the kitchen, the bathroom, or even just going in and out of different places around the living area. We want to make sure that families keep all products that could harm a child out of sight, up and away, and out of reach of those little ones who are explorers.
Absolutely. Yeah. They're always into things, especially like you said, when it's busy and everything is going at the same time. So so you said the kitchen and the bathroom. What are some ways that we can protect our kids from those areas?
Well, we're going to be cleaning a lot during the holidays, doing dishes more, maybe doing laundry more. And we're going to have a lot of people coming over. So it is so important. The laundry room and the bathrooms that the little ones are going to be using, it's really important when you have more people around to keep those areas safe. Make sure those child safety locks are around. And in the laundry room, we love to show off our stylish laundry rooms if we have them, but make sure you don't leave products sitting around. If you have that laundry packets or fabric softeners, don't put them in a place where the kids can grab them. So make sure as soon as you're done using it, store it properly so those little kids can't get to it. Because remember, or then we might have grandkids coming over. You're not used to having little ones around the house. That's really important to look at your cleaning areas, your main spaces that people are going to be visiting. Look at it through the eyes of a child, especially if you haven't had little ones there in a while. So important during the holidays.
Exactly. You're right. When people are out of the mode, right, they have to think about those things. And if you're listening to this as a podcast, make sure you check out our YouTube channel because they are showing us some specific areas and things that you can do, like keeping the products up high where they can't reach them, where the children can't reach them, or like Brian mentioned, safety locks, things like that. So I understand that you have a safety guide that for parents that to help them understand a little bit better.
Yes, so American Cleaning Institute and Safe Kids came together to put this safety guide together as a user-friendly sheet to help you know the things to keep your home safe. You know, kids really, when you think about it, they like to play hide and seek in the home. So where you may not think they can find things, they can. And so this safety tip sheet help you go around the home to really know where to protect and prevent injuries in your home, but most importantly, how to put products up and away.
That's right. Yeah, my youngest used to like to get into this one of the cabinets and just like hide in there. So I'm glad you mentioned that because they do like to get in there and do those things. How do we find that safety guide?
So the American Cleaning Institute worked with Safe Kids Worldwide to put together this easy to use, easy to read information. It's available online. You can find it on the American Cleaning Institute website at packetsup.com.
Excellent. We'll make sure that that is linked in the show notes for everyone that's listening or watching. Thank you so much. Is there anything else that we need to know or anything else you'd like to share with us today?
Yes, because things do happen. We want to make sure if something should happen while you're enjoying these holidays, we want to make sure that you know the poison control number. So you can use 1-800-222-1222. And it's just great for families to store that in their phones, have it nearby on the fridge so that they are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to help in an emergency.
Excellent tip, Tareen. Thank you so much. We'll make sure and have that in the show notes as well. Thank you so much for joining us today. It's been a pleasure to speak to both of you.
Thank
you
you.
very much.
Bye-bye. This has been the Teaching Your Toddler podcast with Mary Jo Tinlin. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you'll find us on our website at teachingyourtoddler.com, as well as on Facebook at Teaching Your Toddler, on Instagram, and on Twitter at Teaching Toddler. So join us again, and I hope you have a wonderful week. Thank you so much.